So we're in Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you've lost this menu ribbon right here, the thing with all these icons on it, or this menu bar up here, this toolbar, here's how you get it back. Probably what happened is you accidentally hit full screen. And then this is what you see. So here's how you get it back. These three dots up here, click on these, and the ribbon will come back. But now, go to this down arrow here, and click Always Show Ribbon. And if you do that, your ribbon will be back. If you don't see the ribbon, but you see the toolbar across the top, like this, you might poke around up here and not be able to get that ribbon back. All you need to do, click on one of these menu items, and then go back over here and make sure Always Show Ribbon is selected. That'll always show the ribbon menu toolbar type thing here for you. I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint 365, but I think this is the same on most versions. That's it. That's how you get the menu ribbon back in PowerPoint. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.